Hey guys, Chuck's back. This is a new Internet of Things product from ALDI, and it's available at the moment in ALDI stores. I'm about to test it out. What we got here? We've written the writing upside down. It's got the setup where you download a software package, discover the plug, and set up an account, control the device. It has 3 USBs. You can control each switch by itself, which is very handy if you've got a area or situation where you need to control 3 switches. And it's reasonably, I can't remember the price, but it wasn't that dear for something like this. It's got a 1-year guarantee on the back of it, so that's handy. And yeah, all the controls, individual control. So you should be able to do settings with it, which is where you set up the lights and things like that. You could control it for other things, for a whole, it'd be handy for, say, if you've got a couple of 3D printers or something like that. Yeah, anyway, we'll pull it out and have a look. Here's the device. The actual device costs around about $24.99, which is $25 Australian, which is, well, Americans couldn't use this, but yeah, they might have one at their ALDI store though. It might be quite similar with a different plug, and it might do 210. So, comes with a book and instructions, and we'll go looking for the software. Okay, back again. You've got a page in the manual where you can just, if you've got iOS or if you've got Google Play, you just scan that with a bar scanner, and that will bring up the software. Otherwise, you're looking for this Tura Smart. Is it Tura Smart? I don't know. Anyway, and then you've got to make up an account, of course, and we'll go through all that. I don't know whether this can be controlled by other things. I might even take this apart and have a look at what the actual programmable part is inside it. It's using one of the new triangular screws, which are pretty handy, I reckon, because they're easier to undo and they don't strip out. And yeah, log in, and it's talking about a heap of different things. It's got different plugs there, so I'd say it would be available in different countries, although that looks like European only, doesn't look like American, but you can tell me if I've got it wrong there. Got problems on plugging it in. It needs to use the 2.4, so if you're on the 5 gigahertz frequency, you need to drop back to 2.4 gigahertz, and if it's like everything else, you press the button and wait until it flashes, but we'll have a look. Okay, maximum output is 2400 watts. Now the USB maximum output is 3.1 amps. I'd say that would be across the whole lot, so that'd be 1 amp. The other one would be a 2.1. No, maybe not. But anyway. And I've got a lot of ants on the table for some reason. It's very hot here in Australia. We've got a lot of fires happening at the moment. But anyway. Hey guys, here's the switch. We haven't turned it on yet. First thing we need to do is we need to get the software. So get yourself a barcode reader and it will grab the QR code. So now we need to just do an open browser, and that'll bring you to the software, which is called TUYA Smart. These are their terms. You give them an email address or a phone number. Okay, so I'll do this off screen. And of course, you can't press that button. So let's see. what the plus device goes. So what are we looking for here? Yeah, they've got a heap of different devices. Curtains, scenarios. We'll try large. No. So they've got a lot of stuff here. Water purifiers, coffee machines, smart cameras, smart bed. That's interesting. Smart watches. Hey guys, you just need to enter the first socket, Wi-Fi, on the big page, because there's a lot of stuff there. So you've got to enter there, then you're going to make sure that you're on your 2.4, and then you've just got to enter your password. And so now you've got to make sure that the actual device is flashing very quickly. So I'll just pop that down for a second. Put that in there. Hold the button down for 5 seconds. And it's flashing quickly. So you want to say it's flashing at 0.5, and that will start looking for it. This is getting me so excited, this device. The only thing they didn't do was they didn't make your USB connectors accessible to turn on and off on a timer, which would have been awesome. Now you'll see that the light has turned off, but it will come back on in a second. Oh, it's already done. So it's done it. So it did turn it on and off. And once you've done it, you now have this display here, which is hard to see unless I turn it sideways. So now everything's off on the actual switch, but if I press one of these, well, it's still loading it, so we'll wait a couple of seconds. So if I press the main switch, which is that switch there, which relates to the soft key switch, that one, you can turn that on, or you can just press onto one of the devices, and they all work the same, and that'll turn on off. You can change the name of the device here, so I can call that something different, if I can get the thing to work. You could call it bedroom TV. And that'll save that into there. Now the whole board, to control it from, say, Alexa, well, that you've got to go up into this corner here. That's my front door. Okay. Right, something went off on the front door, someone's coming in maybe. So you've got Alexa, you've got Google Assistant, you've got IFTTT. So now I can, in this case, you can, if you know about Alexa, you'll have Alexa device and you'll be able to go ahead and install that. IFTTT is, I've done videos on that, it's quite good. So I can press on Google Assistant and I can get a verification code, instructions, and yeah. So I can go into home. So I've got a verification code there, which I'm not going to use. Guys, here we go. Press that first. Once we've got everything, the software installed, press socket Wi-Fi, first one on. And from there you need to enter, make sure you're on the 2.4 gig, and you need to enter your password. Right, that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.